Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So guys, today I'll be talking on how you can actually remove background from your image. So by the end of the tutorial you have something like this. If you are new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos on Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So what I'm going to be teaching you on this tutorial is very fast and easy. So you make sure you import your picture and as I've imported our picture, this is our picture we have imported. So make sure you import a picture. I come to this tool here, the quick selection tool. So we are going to use the quick selection tool. So we just click and hold, then we drag. As you can see, we keep holding on our mouse, then we drag. It is quite easy, guys. See, Photoshop is very smart in which you automatically uh, get the edges of the image. So as you can see, so you can see the leg is not here, so we just hover down and we add the leg. As you can see, there are some errors on the pictures as you the frame the quick selection tool has gone past our image. So we can just come up here, we take the minus button and we just reduce, and if there's an error again, take the plus button, we increase the area we want to add on the picture. So we come back to our quick selection tool, we click, then we just hover down here. As you can see here, we have the layer marks. So once we click this layer marks, we have our image without the background. So I hope this tutorial do help you a lot, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. See you on the next video. Bye bye.